Similarly, Milan Option, hi, welcome to Infinity ETA Elishes are there. Oh, one thing about Umangwabe, who and decided where you young digger lamfazi. Take the attitude. There's some reasons that have what to gangster love some type of vibes. Hey, bo, every time Yena, she has everything there to say about Celebrity. But she's there, Utela, Funo Kaba, Funo Nyagaza. Hey, bo, I was so bored. I was so bored. When I saw her and she walked in that table, I was like, ooh, finally they are getting along. Because I love to see them when they are smiling in those type of vibes. And then, wafika nje waruna mood ngokuzenza half. Woo! Aibo, when you need a little hard to get, even now, we are married but we still paying hard to get. Aibo. That's why Matele asked me to because you are complaining like akukho mnandi, you think you're right, but kusafeli. Relationship wamangwabe nomselo. I just wanna know what is it for the views? Because it's giving ghostly vibes. Like I understand what is this even real? Because I doubt it's real. Because why would you act like that? Why then? I mean, I feel like the wives and Umsele they are those type of people that they check the numbers, they check it, okay, which episode did work, which episode got people talking the most, and then they intensify that moment. Because when they see it's okay, Tina Sana Lava who are like not submissive, they wanna abafazi abatshelile indoda yabo where to get off, then all of them suddenly they are becoming feminists. How can you be a feminist in a marriage? Like, does it make sense? It doesn't make sense. Like, they want to be feminist ngapha basemishadweni. I'm so confused. I'm like, what the hell is going on? Hayibo Mangwabe. If it's for the views, I get it. Like, I mean, nifuna ukubhadala rent, but if it's the real you, like vele you are like that. I mean, what changed, mama? I guess with your head and all of that, but from zero to hero. I mean, even Umakumal. One thing about Makumal, I feel like the mask was off. I mean, the past that is like questionable. I feel like she tried so much to be the wife that was submissive because of already and available. Yeah, you see. So maybe that's why we are seeing the Makumalo that we are seeing. And if Bentele Kuma about my social media, the rumors about the past is true, then I'm not shocked. I'm not shocked Mangimbona Epundila Umsele with the way she does. But as for Umangwabe, I go. That season Uwenje. Humble. Second season humble. Why? I go. Until we reach a point where we are seeing this old wife, which I understood, okay, it was created by Msele. And then this season, it was like Bozana. And then all of a sudden, so yeah, she got put to be able to Mangwabe all cold. And Gina, there was nothing that Umsele said that was bad to a point of which Umangwabe and Achita Manje Sarabe cold. I go now. I go. Then Umangwabe also mentioned the fact that Umsele ubathengela izinto and then uyaba-abuser. And the thing that people always say ukuthi abantu mabekhuluma bangasiba nomona. When they speak about men who spoil their wives, what could I spoil is normal. And then there's that spoil where it's like ihamba ne-dictatorship. So you can't expect someone to buy you a Mercedes and a house and expect them not to dictate. I mean, even your boss, umekubhadala, he's going to dictate ukuthi yazini bangathi khona manje awuye lunch nawo. We're not going to stand up and say, no, yeah. Because at the end of the day, your salary. Yes, you can go to a CCMA and report them, blah, 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 but it's not going to stop now. It's not about Kwanabantu that are going to be mistreated. Because that's what happened when someone has authority over your life. Hence why Makumalo has seen, I'm so tired of this life. Makumalo is able to anyway, because at the end of the day, I don't know what is happening, but I think that she's the one who bought the stand and Pro is the one that is building that house. So that's why when I'm saying, I was to isicathulo lapha, akakwazi ukuthi athi khalisa isicathulo lana, ngoba khalisa Makumalo. That's why I was umqoshe ebusuku. Ngoba uMangwabe emayeni and Maqele uyohlezi nikhala bosisi. Akuzifanele uMangwabe uvele wamukele ukuthi yazini le ndoda iyangenzela, le ndoda iyangicontrola. Finish. Because now you're talking about emotional abuse, but you're also abusing him emotionally. Indlela okhuluma ngayo wena, ucabanga ukuthi njani? You are making him feel less of a man to say umyeni wakho on national TV while everyone is watching because ufuna ukutrenda probably to say BS. I mean, that was so rude. That was so rude. That was not giving respectful wife. Respect is earned. The way you treat people is going to be reciprocal. If you want people to treat you, treat them right also. Multi BS is fine. But if Mselegu said that, hey, ngabe kuyanyiwa on the timelines, ngabe it's like, oh, Mselegu is an abuser, oh, Mselegu is this, oh, Mselegu is a narcissist, Mselegu is... But because Umangwabe said it's Viva, Umandla, Wimbokoto, no. Most of us, we need to tell each other, because no, right now we are better. Right now we are off ramp. But because most of the people that are watching the show are women who are feminist, women who are hurt, women who don't want to see married people happy, women who believe that we are modernized. No, we still need to respect women. Because look at Matale has no complaints because people respect her in the That's why marriage yakhe kumnandi. But even the Bible says respect your men. The man is supposed to love, you need to respect. But if when I'm not going to respect a man who does this, even when I have conditions for respecting someone, you're always going to sit there on that chair, be grumpy. Yeah, well, sometimes toxic TV is nice, but not all the time. Like, hi, Bo. There needs to be a full stop. Yes, we got some toxicity, but sometimes that is stimubona uthando, stimubona ubuhle polygamy. Not this thing that we are watching. First season, we were so good on the show. Like, we loved the show because there was so much unity, so much love. But now, what is really showing stages of divorce. The first stage of divorce. Because right now it's fight, quarrels, toxicity, nothing interesting. But I'm not shocked with Mangwabe's attitude. I mean, on the diary session where she spoke about the fact that so that's the only thing you care about. And then you wanna complain no, Umselegu is emotionally abusing me because you enabled it. Let's be honest. Umselegu even mentioned that bakhona abafazi who were supposed to be sitting there, number 5, number 4, number 3, number 2, but they couldn't take it. Not because they couldn't take it, because they couldn't take the level of abuse that they saw. Emotional abuse. I'm being abused emotionally, and I cannot take it. That dictatorship that you are speaking about, that is happening to Umakwela, whereby who dictated what, you know what, if you have to leave your job. And then Umakwela was like, okay, cool, left her job. And I don't know, maybe she's gonna complain in the coming years. That's what Umakwela doesn't do, because Umakwela understood the agenda. But when I get Ozweta Lalana and talk about, oh, his dictatorship, blah 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 blah, what about the other women? First, I'm being controlled, I'm being abused emotionally, and they're like, kudos, bye-bye. Took their bags, never look back. But when our kids must know, because in Tanda let me say this, so now you want to sit there and just give us a boring show. You are